Do you need to top coat a resin piece and don't know how to keep the resin from getting on the sides of your piece? Stay with me, because you can just use tape. I found a Reddit discussion saying that you can't use painter's tape. Well, you can, especially if you tape it correctly. So let's get started. I'm going to be taping the sides and the back with frog tape. I'll be doing this R the same way as well. So I'll just rip off a piece of tape to get started. You can cut with scissors, but it is really easy to rip off. I place the tape right against the edge. You need to be precise so you don't get any resin on any other areas. Now this is where the technique or strategy comes in. I place a second piece of tape over the first layer of tape. Make sure that at least half of the tape is covering the first layer of tape. This helps make the first layer of tape sturdy so it will not lift. I leave this lip on the back so when I'm ready to tape the back, I can just fold this over. I just continue this process all over the letter and it looks like this. And now I'm going to do the R real quick. Actually, it's not even close to being quick, but I digress. If you've liked this video so far, please like and subscribe to see more resin tips that may help you along your resin journey. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Did frog tape work for you? Now it's time to top coat. When top coating, you can use your hands to smooth over everything, especially since you have everything covered. But I find it too messy for me, even though resin is generally a messy hobby anyway, but I just prefer to use a spatula or a popsicle stick. Just figure out what works for you though. Once your resin has cured, you can then tape off the tape. It comes off just as easy it is to rip and does not have any residue or streaks. To be honest, it's quite literally perfect for top coating. And in those areas where you can't quite grab the tape with your fingers, you can take a pick, mine is from Cricut, and kind of pick up the tape enough so you can just grab it and pull it off. And this is how the baby keepsake came out. I didn't get to take a video of the R, so I'll just put a picture up here. I hope this video helps you along your resin journey, and I hope to help you find something you can use to top coat. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. Maybe I can help. See you later.